Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This is a 1965 Oldsmobile Starfire. I tell you what, watch this video. The more time I spent with this car, the more I looked at it, the cooler it became. For one, it's a factory 4-speed sitting between those bucket seats right there. It's the biggest motor Oldsmobile offered, a 425 with 375 horsepower. Something I never even knew existed. The exhaust comes right out through the trim right here. From the factory, the exhaust comes right out through the quarter panel. And then the more I looked at the car, it just got cooler and cooler. We have an original build sheet. We have the Protecto plate. This is a documented rare car. The gentleman we acquired it from collects 4 speeds only. He likes big full-size 4 speeds. We just sold his AMC machine. We have a 427 station wagon with a 4-speed coming up next. He did a body off frame restoration. He's a collector. He does this as his hobby. It is not for resale. The car was done right. So full body off frame restoration, 500 miles ago, documented rare car. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures top to bottom. And that is where you'll go to find prices on over 200 collector cars that we offer for sale. volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and that way you're notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me, let's go for a spin. I didn't mention the cool wheels on here too, but as you watch this video, there's a lot of neat little tricks up the sleeve of this car here, more than meets the eye. First impression, oh, it's just a big old, your grandfather's car, but again, it's a muscle car 4-speed. With documentation to prove it was born that way. So the body was off the frame for restoration. There's a picture on our website just showing the bare frame, painted black. It was all prepped and painted. The entire chassis was rebuilt. The springs, the shocks, the bushings, the ball joints, all the steering components, the center link and tie rods, all of that was replaced, rebuilt, repainted. It's got the correct dual exhaust system with the rare, I don't know what you want to call them at the end, the collectors, but it comes right out through here on both sides. It is so cool. I love the car just for that, if nothing else. The fuel system's been restored, new sending unit, new fuel lines. The brake system's completely restored, rebuilt, new fuel or brake lines, new hoses. The e-brake assembly is all hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's spotless, it's still painted, not greasy. Starter was rebuilt. It has the correct Muncie 4-speed transmission. All the linkage and components all look fresh. This car was born with a posi. It has the original posi rear end and back. The floors are just clean, all clean metal, painted satin black. Body was reattached, of course, using all new body bushings. So underneath the car is completely restored. The fit and finish on the body is amazing. Might even look a little better than it did new. Absolutely laser beam straight. There's not a ripple anywhere. There's no signs of damage, no rust, no blisters, no cracking. Nothing that I could find anyway. And I went around the whole car. It even feels slick like Teflon. And these are big, wide panels, and it is absolutely straight across the roof, the trunk, the hood. Again, these are some big pieces of metal, and they're straight. All the gaps are real nice. The bumper's been recromed. This whole tail panel's restored. I think this is a cool feature. Check out the tail light with the Oldsmobile emblem in the middle. But all this back here is beautiful. Original glass is nice, has some light scratches. All the stainless trim, all of it has been removed, straightened, polished. New door handles, new mirror. Now these wheels, they're an aluminum, actual aluminum, but it's a cover that attaches to a specific rim. You can't just bolt those on any rim. So it's a steel rim with this aluminum cover over it with the spinner, you would swear it's an aluminum wheel. Very rare. I think it's 65 only for this car, so very rare, very cool. Radial tires, got hardly any miles. All the trim along the bottom is in real nice shape. The windshield, probably not brand new, a couple really, really light scratches. The chrome down the middle looks like it's restored. Bumper's recromed. This whole grille piece is really nice original. It has T3 headlights, which is correct. This mirror is real nice. The interior. It's not like restoring a Mustang. You don't just call up and order an interior kit for $600. This all had to be handmade. This is the correct patterns and upholstery. It was all made from scratch in a real high-grade leather, or vinyl, I should say. It has new cushions, so it all fits just right. Nice and plump, no wrinkles, done really well. Also custom upholstered door panels. You have brushed stainless trim here. It's not beat up or scratched. It's in excellent shape. Down on the floor, the new carpet has sewn in mats. He said he had a heck of a time finding all 4 mats in excellent shape. So like I said, there's a lot more than meets the eye in restoring that interior. It is a power trunk, also has a trunk light. All metal trunk, painted the body color. It has the reproduction mat with the matching side panels. Tires never been used on a restored rim. Complete jack assemblies restored. New weather strip. So show quality trunk compartment. Getting back to the interior, all the interior lights work, even in the doors. Headliner and visors are excellent. The whole dash area is mint. The dash pad is mint. All the gauges, bezels, knobs are sparkling. It's not pitted. It's really nice. The steering wheel's in beautiful shape. It has deluxe seat belts in front. They look new or restored. Said under the hood is a 425, 375 horsepower, ultra high compression. It's a 4-barrel motor. This motor was only available in this car and the Jetstar. It's the original motor, been completely rebuilt, all stock, the manifolds, valve covers, air cleaner. It even has reproduction hoses, clamps, tar top battery topper, even date-coated spark plug wires. It's restored to factory condition. It has a center console, again, not a Mustang console you buy for $200. And it looks like it's been all restored. All the chrome is beautiful. It's not pitted. It has the correct reverse lockout 4-speed shifter. It has a factory tachometer sitting there as well. This also has the optional clock in the dash, original radio. The jambs are painted just as slick as the car. All the weather strips and window seals are replaced. New sill plates. The chrome trim on the seats is excellent. I mean, this is a really, really well done car. Again, done by a true collector. He was doing this for himself. It was not about flipping it and making money. He's owned this car for 7 years now. Time to sell a few of his babies. This is one of them. Door jambs up front here are all beautiful. Rubber up here looks new. So back in the motor, it has power steering, power brakes. Squirters are hooked up. It has the glass washer bottle for extra fluid. The rubber flap on top of the radiator. All the metal surfaces are clean and smooth and painted. It's just a really, really nice engine compartment here. So what a cool car. Pull into a show with this, people are going to be blown away when they see a 4-speed sitting between 2 bucket seats. So that's my impression of this car. You can go to volocars.com, Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask. They'll help you the best they can. They can help get this delivered to your door. They can help you with financing. That's all at volocars.com. If you want a one-of-a-kind car, there is no production number on the 4-speed. I was just searching the internet. I found a story about these cars. They just said a 4-speed was extremely rare. And how many are still existing, and how many have a build sheet to prove it was born this way. I know of one right here. So there you have it. Go to volocars.com if you're interested. If you enjoy our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.